in this episode. What do you think will happen if we set up a real daycare? Not for kids, but for puppies. With toys, balls, and all kinds of puppy fun. Imagine the owner of a dozen puppies really needs to leave them alone for a few hours. What will the little ones do in a place full of colorful things they're not used to? Maybe the pups won't react at all, or maybe they'll totally wreck the place. We decided to run an experiment and made a unique puppy daycare. At first glance, it looks super cute, but maybe not for long. Time to start the timer, because we're not letting in just any dogs. We're letting in the ones people call little crocodiles, Belgian Malinois pups. So, let's tune in to a brand new puppy reality show. Look what this little Terminator is up to. And yep, he's got company. But it looks like these guys aren't planning to behave well. Seems like they've got a plan. Whoa! It's a full-on trap for poor Teddy. After hugs like that, it's hard to stay cute and fluffy. And here's another victim of puppy love. Maybe it's good that the pups don't focus on anyone for too long. Ripping these toys apart won't be easy. Hey, someone's found a new toy. A few minutes have passed, and the puppy squad has already turned the play zone upside down. The giant teddy bear seems to be their top favorite. He still looks okay. I wonder if he'll survive till the end of the video. But honestly, there are so many toys here. Every Malinois pup can find something to play with. Looks like tag is their second favorite game, right after chewing stuff up. I think this fuzzy pillow war could last forever. Let's distract them a bit with colorful balls. Though, as I said before, it's hard to keep their focus on one thing for long. The tug rope doesn't seem to impress them much. And how about the little pool? Oh no! These tiny monsters tore the inflatable pool apart before I could even blink. Will they shred it completely? Seems like it's sewn pretty well, but no more water's going in there for sure. A few minutes of fun, and the pool's lost its charm. All that's left is to lie on it. Wait, is he really gonna fall asleep right now? Okay, I take that back. The battle for the bright pool is still on. Looks like one more push, and the Malinois might take down a whole tree. Can you believe they could actually bite through a real tree trunk? I wonder what these little crocodiles are thinking while they play. Maybe their teeth just itch a lot? In that case, I wouldn't get too close to this puppy gang. We tossed a few more toys into the pool. Yep, the little Terminators finally got to them. The pups are totally obsessed with this tug rope. But stealing the tunnel is way more fun. And here's another game, the ball on a rope. Meanwhile, the bear's getting dirtier, just like the fuzzy pillow. Is it just me, or is Teddy screaming, "Help me"? Don't worry, Teddy. The battlefield's moved to the ball zone for now. Looks like the pups took the bait. But they have jaws of steel. Getting that ball out of their mouths is impossible. Send them to the police. No criminal would escape. And the way they jump up. Did you see that? Do these little ones ever run out of batteries? They've tried 10 games already and still aren't tired. I wonder who wins the favorite toy contest. The ball on a rope or the giant white teddy bear? By the way, they've already chewed off one of Teddy's legs. Did you notice? Chewing through that rope must be harder than a stuffed toy, though. Then again, who knows how this destruction ends? By the end of the day, this daycare will be unrecognizable. Just hope the set decorations survive. And maybe some of the bears, too. Oh, look! Another hanging toy! Seems like these pups react best to color, movement, and size. So if you ever live near Belgian Malinois pups, better not run past them in bright clothes. Ha! And yeah, looks like our decorations days are numbered. But the energy of these Malinois pups seems endless. Well, our experiment has come to an end. And the result is clear. Our puppy daycare didn't last even 2 hours. The pups chewed everything in sight. They didn't leave a single inch of our zone untouched. The stuffed toys suffered the most. So, a daycare for puppies sounds great, but not so easy to pull off. The little crocodiles stayed just a couple of hours, but cleaning up will take all day. If we ever try a puppy daycare again, we'll choose a calmer breed than Belgian Malinois. If this video made you smile, or reminded you how awesome pets are, give it a like. And if you're a fellow animal lover, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss more furry moments coming soon. Thanks for watching, and give your pet a little extra love today.